Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install BlueStacks 5 on Windows 11 in an easy way. First of all, just go to the any browser and go to the Google and type BlueStacks 5. Click on the first link bluestack.com. Just download BlueStacks 5 from here. Show in folder. Just drag it to desktop and double click on this file. Click on yes. Here just click on the install now and it's starting your installation. It's downloading your all files and then it start their installation on your Windows 11 OS. So be patient and wait for some time. Now our BlueStacks 5 is starting. In a few seconds, our BlueStacks 5 is launched on our Windows 11 OS. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install BlueStacks 5. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.